This tutorial explains how to integrate Turnstile to your Joomla form. Turnstile is Cloudflare's Captcha alternative. First of all, we need to generate integration keys. Navigate to Cloudflare website, link you will find in the description below. Log into your profile. In your dashboard, from the sidebar menu select Turnstile. Click on the button Add Site. Enter site name, site domain, and click on the button Create. Then here is our site key and secret key. Copy them. Open your form in the editor. Navigate to Integrations. Tab, Spam Protection. Click on Cloudflare Turnstile. Enter previously generated site key, secret key. Click on the button Save. Now, go to Submit Button Settings, Spam Protection tab, and select Cloudflare Turnstile. Save the form and let's check on the site. Here is added Turnstile Captcha. As you can see, integrating Cloudflare Turnstile into your Joomla form is quite simple. Enjoy!